This is a true story. A story of pain and hope. A story of a poor boy who had nothing. No money. No shoes. No light. But one day, he changed his life. If you feel sad, if you feel small, this story is for you. Listen slowly. Learn new English words. Feel the emotions. If you feel it helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Share this story with a friend who needs hope. This will be a lot for me. Part 1. A Hard Life. Amir was a boy. He lived in a small house. His house was old. His family was poor. Amir had no new clothes. His shoes were broken. He walked to school every day. The school was far. It was cold in winter. It was hot in summer. But Amir did not stop. He loved to learn. He wanted to read books. He wanted to write. He wanted a better life. But life was not easy. His father was sick. His mother worked all day. They had no money. At night, Amir studied. He used a small candle. He had only one book, but he read it many times. He did not sleep much. He worked hard. Very hard. Part 2. Sad Days. One day, his teacher said, "Amir, you are smart." Amir smiled. No one said that before. But other kids laughed. "Look at his shoes. His bag is so old." Amir felt sad. He looked down. That night he cried. But he said to himself, "I will not stop. One day I will be strong. I will be rich. I will help my family." His heart was full of pain, but also full of hope. Part 3. Small Jobs, Big Dreams. Amir was now 14. He went to school. After school, he worked. He cleaned tables. He washed cars. He sold tea. He made little money. He gave it to his mother. He saved a little. Just a little. He still studied. He still walked to school. He still had the same shoes. But his dream was big. He said, "I will go to college." People laughed. "You? College? Never." But Amir did not stop. Part 4. A New Start. After many years, Amir finished school. He got the best grades. He was number 1. He applied to college. He got a free seat. He cried. His mother cried too. He packed his bag. It was old, but his eyes were bright. College was hard. The books were big. The words were new. But Amir worked hard. He asked questions. He read every night. He ate little food. But he kept going. Part 5. The First Job. After college, Amir got a job. It was a small job. But he was happy. He worked with heart. He came early. He stayed late. His boss liked him. "You are honest," he said. "You are smart." Amir smiled. He remembered his past. The old shoes. The candle. The tea shop. Part 6. Big Success. Years passed. Amir got a better job. Then a better one. He started a company. It was small, but he worked hard. People trusted him. His company grew. He helped others. He gave books to poor kids. He built a school. He gave jobs to many. One day, a man came. He said, "Are you Amir, the poor boy?" Amir smiled and said, "Yes, I was that boy. Now I am a man, but I never forget." Part 7. Message for you. Dear friend, are you tired? Are you sad? Do you feel small? Don't give up. You are strong. Work hard. Be kind. Be honest. One day you will shine like a mirror.